Dan Williams, Survive Outdoors. Are you hungry? Because we're going to try to cook a steak today on the new Hellfire Bushcraft grill and see how it does. So stay tuned. But before we do that, I got an announcement. Survive Outdoors has some merch. We got coffee mugs, we have t-shirts, sweatshirts, pretty cool design. Of course, I'm not objective. Check it out. Here we go. All right, so I'm going to go a little bit under the ground here. So I'm going to rake away a lot of these leaves. It's very dry out here, so this will also make it a lot safer and easier to cover up and leave no trace. There's one hell of a root there, huh? There are a lot of ways you can use a grill. You can use rocks, you can put logs on either side, you can even cut you out some legs. So there's a ton of ways to lay that grill on there. The Hellfire Bushcraft grill. And I'm going to have the grill raised up a little bit off of the ground so I can feed the fire. Then when we leave, we can just cover this up and not worry about it. So got a hole dug here, found some old pieces of stone. I have a dry base, cotton ball. We're just going to light that puppy up and we're going to start building us up a little fire. This is really dry wood, so this should burn and ignite pretty doggone quick. Now the cynic that I am sometimes, I got this as a joke, thinking that this was, you got to be kidding me, someone's going to pay $8 for a stainless steel straw, and this was supposed to be meant to, as a bellows and to focus your breath. And I'm like, my God, just use your hat or blow on it. You got to, really? Are you serious? You got to have this thing? So I started making fun of it. But then I realized if you have asthma or COPD, the last thing you want to do is take a big breath, get an irritant into your bronchioles, and have an allergic reaction. This would work excellent for people with asthmatics, COPD, chronic respiratory problems. And you can focus and guide it. So that's what happens. You know, sometimes you have to back up and rethink something. So I initially was making fun of this, and then I'm like, wait a minute, this would be really good for certain individuals. So it's made by PSKook. PSKook. Not sure if that's how you say it. Sounds funny. It's fun to say. So anyway, it's $8 on Amazon, and I think I'm going to keep it. So we're starting to build, starting to do catch. All right, so we have our grills on here. We have a New York strip. a garlic and butter chicken breast boneless. Now, this came from Main Street Meats in Roscoe, Illinois. They're on North 2nd. If you're local, you have to check them out. I've used them for years. I am getting nothing from this endorsement whatsoever except a full belly and a great taste. I've used them for years. They even do venison, so you can bring your deer there. Main Street Meats. I've checked a lot of meat markets out, and I'm here to tell you they're fantastic. I mean, you put expensive things into your car. You want the best equipment for your car. Why not put the best meat into your body? Shop local. Forget Walmart, especially for food. So yeah, they are really a great little meat market. And if you're not local, Texas, California, hey, it's worth the trip. Come on out to the Midwest and check out Main Street Meats. The grills are doing really well. I do not know the gauge of the stainless steel, so I can't comment on that. I've looked and looked and looked for it, can't find it. We'll know over time for the gauge of the steel. And I got, this is Coughlin's multi-spice. I got this for 98 cents at, I don't even remember where I got it at now. Multi-spice curry, cayenne, garlic salt, black pepper, regular salt, and paprika. So we're going to put a little garlic salt. I put that on everything, including my cereal in the morning. No, I don't put it on my cereal. Put some garlic salt on the garlic buttered chicken. And we got to have a little black pepper. And we're going to stop right there. But you can't beat that for 98 cents. Goes right in my pack, in my car for camping. Good stuff. All right, let's see what we got here. That's pretty medium. I am not a well done kind of guy. And that is pretty well perfect for me. That is looking good. I know the chicken's done. That is looking beautiful. So there we have it. Cooking on the Hellfire Bushcraft Grill. Okay. Hellfire Bushcraft Grill. Very good. Lightweight. Slides right in the back of my pack. Comes with 2 grills. Waxed canvas. Fantastic bag. The PSKook. PSKook. I'm telling you, I am surprised. It worked really well. I retract what I said. This is nice. Believe it or not, it surprised me. Yes, you could make something in the outdoors, but hey, not bad at all. So, that's what we have. I'm starving. I'm going to go chow down, guys. Hey, remember, keep your eyes on the horizon, your face to the wind. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And we have merchandise. Check it out. Check the merchandise in our description down below, and you'll see that link. Till next time.